How to recover deleted channel in Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can recover deleted channel in Telegram. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First steps first, locate your Telegram app, then open it up. After you open up your Telegram, what you can then do is simply search for, you know, a channel. Let me see. I'll just head over to this channel and, leave from here. So I'll just leave this channel for now. And now to recover the channel, if you see this undo button, you can tap on it if you have just right now left or deleted the channel. But in that case, it's not always the case. So let me remove that. And now I'll not undo the, that option. Now what you can do is head over to the search bar instead of it and search for that very channel again. And after you search for that very channel, you can head over to the channel section and you'll find that channel right away. So you can head over to the channel, tap on the join button at the bottom again, and you're back in it. And it's that simple. And that's how you recover deleted or left channel in Telegram. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.